Skip first line in import statement using gc.open_by_URL from spread, i.e. add header equals 0. What is the equivalent of header equals 0 in pandas, which recognizes the first line as a heading in spread? Pandas import statement, correct. Using gspread function, so far I import the data, change the first line to the heading, then delete the first line after, but this recognizes everything in the data frame as a string. I would like to recognize the first line as a heading right away in the import statement. Spread import statement that needs header equals true equivalent.
Looking at the API documentation, you probably want to use the .get_alt_records method returns a dictionary of with the column headers as the keys and a list of column values as the dictionary values. The argument head equals int determines which row to use as keys. Rows start from 1 and follow the numeration of the spreadsheet. Since the values returned by .get_alt_records are lists of strings, the dataframe constructor, pd.dataframe, will return a data frame that is all strings. To convert it to floats, we need to replace the empty strings, and then the dash-only strings, with not-type values, then convert to float. Luckily pandas dataframe has a convenient method for replacing values.replace. We can pass a mapping from the string we want as NOS to none, which gets converted to nan.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.